Hello friends, in this video we will do the unboxing of Flavia women's sandal. So this I have purchased from amazon.in. So let's unbox it. So this is the sandal, and the straps are in navy color, and the base is spongy, so it's quite soft, and the material of this is PU leather, synthetic leather, and it looks really nice. So let's take out both the pairs. So this is the sandal, and the color combination really looks nice, brown, and on the top we have dual tone brown and navy colors. So I will leave a description of the product in the video description, and if you like it you can give it a shot and purchase it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more.